In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to improve signal service on iPhone. Let's get in. First, check cellular settings. For that, launch your settings app, scroll down and navigate to the option cellular or mobile data. Tap cellular data options. Turn on data roaming to improve coverage. Click on voice and data and set it to 5G or 5G on. Next, refresh network. Swipe down and open control center. Turn on airplane mode, wait for a few minutes and then again disable it. This refreshes your signal instantly. Next up, check carrier settings. For that, head back, navigate to the option General, click on the option About. Wait a few seconds. If an update is available, you'll see a carrier update prompt. Install it to optimize your network. Likewise, head back, click on the option Software Update. If any updates are available, just update your software to its latest version. Next up, disable low power mode. Head back, click on the option Battery. Click on Power Mode and disable for the option Low Power Mode. With these solutions, you'll be good to go. Also, you can force restart iPhone. For that, quickly press and release the volume up button, quickly press and release the volume down button, hold the side button until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears. This won't delete any data, it simply refreshes your system and can improve signal strength. Likewise, reinsert SIM or reset network. If you have a physical SIM card, remove it and reinsert it. For eSIM users, go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, click on Reset Network Settings, enter your passcode and confirm. This resets network settings back to default and often fixes signal issues. And that's it. These are some fixes for signal issues in your device. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.